So I think how do you know this is it is you don't know. You never will know. I think it's the smaller decisions that you make every day that kind of leads you in directions. I mean, there's so many choices in life, and I don't think there's like one end goal that you're supposed to be at. There's a direction maybe that you can go. So I would say to anybody that's trying to navigate where they want to go in their life or in their careers to follow things that they're interested in, but also realize that you're not going to be absolutely in love with it every single day. But things change. You go in a certain direction. I went into landscape architecture to become a landscape architect. I'm now more of a media personality than anything. I mean, I still do all the design and builds and stuff like that too, but it's a completely different career, and that's not what I thought I wanted to do, but following things and being open to opportunities. So I guess I would say don't be scared about trying to find that one thing. Get involved into something and commit into it. And like I said, you're not going to love it every single day, but if you love it most of the time, then I think you're good.